This customer in Marton, in Cleveland, Middlesbrough, lifted the carpet in their bedrooms and found this gorgeous old floor. It was a pine floor, and they asked me to sand it back and restore it, staining it brown and then coating it up with some clear lacquer. So I sanded it back using a belt sander and went through all of the grits, blended in the edges, and then buffed it up with a planetary sander on a high grit paper, making it nice and smooth. I also completed a couple of little repairs, which was two gaps needed patching up, and removed all of the debris down in the gaps of the pine, and there was loads of it. I then stained it. You can see the choice of colours that I offered them, which was to match the tone that they'd asked for. And then once it was all stained and dried off, we lacquered it with 3 coats of clear matte lacquer, which adds to the longevity and preserves the floor.